Bike not starting, no spark, your CDI might be the problem. Today, let's understand what a CDI is, how it works, and common failure signs. CDI stands for Capacitor Discharge Ignition. It is a key part of your bike's ignition system. In simple terms, CDI stores electrical energy and releases it as high voltage to the spark plug. This spark ignites the fuel and starts the engine. If CDI failures, you may notice bike not starting, sudden engine stop, no spark and spark plug, misfire and high RPM. It's your spark plug, it find but there no spark. Check the CDI. Follow the more bike tips and tricks.